Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I have a new wig from Reshine. As you all can see, this unit is super long and full, so I cannot wait to show you all. But anyway, this is the wig, of course, 250% density, 30 inches. And this is the packaging. Of course, I want to let you all know what you get before you purchase this unit. But look at this unit, super beautiful. Beautiful, super beautiful. Very nice, very thick, a lot of hair, and the wig comes pre-plucked, as you all saw. All I did to this unit was bleach it, and then I shampooed and conditioned, you know, the usual. I used my BW2 powder 40 volume developer, and I absolutely loved how this wig came out. Nothing out of the ordinary here, you know, basic bleaching method that I've done before, and this wig did very well. It did very well with the bleach, shampoo, and conditioning. Not too much on the tangling. You know, with this kind of texture, you always get some sort of kind of tangle and shed, but nothing major. Very normal for this texture. So now this is the unit. I let it air dry, and again, I did not do any additional plucking. So very beginner friendly, which I love because I am still, you know, learning. But anyway, so I did glue this install for you all like I normally do, and I loved how this unit came out. I have no complaints about this hair. Very nice. So go ahead and check out my description box if you all are interested. Of course, the links are down there, but let me know what you all think. And yeah, I started putting the glue on a little bit differently. Well, not the glue, because this is glueless, but you know, like the spray adhesive, I don't know, I put it on a little bit differently, and I've been liking how that looks. So I feel like I am kind of growing with my skills, so very happy about that. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, check out Reshine down below, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.